So Latinos, of which I'm going to be talking tonight, the Pew Center has a statistic of December 2019, 18, where they say that 97% of Latinos own cell phones, of which 77% are smartphone and the rest are not. And they use them constantly. I can tell you that in my own therapy sessions, the cell phone, they bring the cell phone and they keep it on, because they're so highly interconnected as a culture in general, you know, that they would interrupt the session and they would say to me, Doctora, doctor, excuse me, my son is calling me and I cannot not answer, you know. And so I say, oh, go ahead, you know. And they're not talking about something related to the therapy necessarily, but, you know, so they are on the phone a lot. And so then people in the service professions can say, are there ways in which you could connect with your family on this issue that we're talking about? What would they say about this? What would they have to offer you? Who would be the best advisor that you could call?